My people, una welcome to my channel. I thank una for branching Learn at Home Mom channel. Una don't ever attend wedding or birthday party for Nigeria. Una dey see that small tintilly thing wey dem dey share still na cake. Small thing wey you go put for your mouth, fiam, don finish. Na wetin make me learn how to bake cake so that I go dey chop am as I like. If you sef wan learn how to bake cake, wan dey chop your cake yafun yafun, watch this video reach the end. Make you sef learn how to bake your own cake. Oya, make we start. The first thing na to melt your butter. As your butter dey melt, carry your egg, break am, come whisk am. Whisk am well well so that when your cake don ready, you no go dey get raw egg taste. Don whisk your egg finish, carry your icing sugar, put am, mix am well well, mix them together well well so that we no go get anything like seed inside. Make sure say you sieve your icing sugar. When you sieve am, the thing dey make the work dey easier. Sieve am until you don get something like this. Now na the time to add our dry ingredients. We go sieve our flour, our baking powder and our salt. Abeg, I go advise make we don sieve all these things down because e dey make the work dey easier for us. When you don add all these things, mix them together well well. You go mix them until they don form paste and you no go get any seed inside. When you don mix all those things together and they form paste, carry that your melted butter pour inside. Come still start to mix am again. Abeg, make fear no catch you. Anyhow, all the butter must enter. And remember, if you want make your cake soft pass my own, comot 1 cup of flour or add extra egg and 1 more spoon of baking powder. The spoon wey I dey use na tablespoon o, that big one, no be teaspoon. Turn am well. Carry your vanilla flavour, add am. Our batter don ready. The next thing wey we go do na to carry our pan, use butter rub am well well. Still carry flour or flour, abi wetin dem dey call am sef. Still sprinkle inside, rub the whole body so that our cake go gree come out when the cake don ready. When you don finish all these things, carry that our mixture, all those things wey we do, they call am batter. Carry am, pour inside the pan. you don pour your batter in, tap your pan small, make air for comot from the batter, come carry am go kitchen. Put your pot for fire, leave am for 5 minutes make e hot well well. Then carry dat your pan, place inside your pot, cover am, leave am for 45 minutes or more depending on the type of fire wey you get. When the scent of the cake don dey enter your nose, carry knife or toothpick put inside. If nothing follow dem come out, know say our cake don ready. Abeg, make una help me like dis my video, share am and subscribe to my channel. Till we meet again for another video. God bless una o.